Okay, here we go. We're halfway through with the 1-inch Bonoss wheel spacers on a new, it's a 2023 Model S. I believe this is the first car to get this done. I have done half of the car. So driver's side has the 1-inch 25mm spacers, and we're gonna get a look here at the difference between stock and 1-inch. So here we go. This is, oh, and the ride height is on medium. I think what I'll do, if I can figure it out, is trim the video or go in there and edit the video so that I can lower the vehicle to the lowest setting. But this is the 1-inch 25mm spacer. Now here on the stock side, I have not done this side yet. You can see there's no poke. In fact, it's super pushed in and just not great. I don't love that. I'm gonna do a top down from this angle. See that? You just can't see the tire and it looks a little silly. I get that for the purpose of aerodynamics and the air curtain that comes through these vents in the front, that's how they designed it. But I think from a physical appearance perspective, this looks fantastic. I have every expectation that the road rash is gonna get real bad, and I hope somebody produces some good looking wheel spacers that actually fit nicely and look nice, not those plastic pieces of crap. So I'm gonna stop this video. No, you know what? Let's just keep the video going. Let's go in here. Let's change the setting to very low. Suspension low. Won't let me do it. Let's see here. Press brake pedal. Maybe the door needs to be down. Low. I don't see the car going down, but maybe it is. I don't know. Let's see if that did anything. Let's come out. Yes, it is, I think. Is it any lower? I can't frickin' tell. Either way, the fitment is perfect. I'm very satisfied. I think I can't tell. But what I'll do is maybe I'll take some stills after doing the other side. If you want to see the actual spacer, it's the Bonoss spacer. It's in there. Fantastic product, well built, torqued. Make sure you get your torque down. I cannot tell if this is all the way low. Yeah, it kind of does, because it's almost tucking tire in the front here, and I think this is the very low, or the lowest setting. All right, I'm gonna end this video here and maybe pick up in a second here.